Drone taxis and electrical takeoff and landing technology become more and more popular. The first four-seat aircraft, VoloConnect, has taken the first flight recently. This fixed-winged passenger aircraft developed by Volocopter company covers range of 100 kilometers and can reach the maximum flight speed of 250 kilometers per hour. It seems the flight could be close to Formula 1 race. The aircraft should enter in service by 2026. The VoloConnect, as other Volocopter vehicles, was designed to reach the highest safety standards set by European Aviation Safety Agency. The vehicle will be a part of VoloCity and VoloDrone family, with possibility to be linked to VoloIQ and VoloPort vertiports, offering passengers the best possible in-flight experience and service quality.